you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on StarTrader. For this we go to Start Trading right here. So we have our Start Trading account opened right here. And then first of all we need to search for something that we want to stop loss on. So let's say we want to stop loss on Bitcoin. Then we click on BTC USD and then from here we want to click right here on buy, and then from here we go to TPSL, and then right here we click here on stop loss. So let's say we want to make a nice stop loss on, let's say 1, that's fine. Then from now we click here on buy, then we do confirm, and right now we created a stop loss on 1. And this is how you can create a stop loss on StarTrader. So this is hopefully the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.